Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today I'm going to give you some step-by-step tips on how to draw a rabbit. So the first step is you're going to determine what your rabbit's doing. In our case, he's going to be just hanging out in the grass. So step one, we're going to draw his little rabbit head. He's got kind of this rounded shape, and they've got these ears that come up. They're not quite as big as maybe Bugs Bunny ears or what have you, but they're still pretty big. They come up like that, and then his back is just this sort of round oval shape, and it comes down, and then he's got a little tail. So step one, you're going to draw the head and the ears, maybe step two, the back, the bottom, and into the tail. The tail just is this piece of kind of white fluff that's sort of underneath and in the back. And then you can go in and add some details, the little rabbit nose, his little rabbit eyes, maybe his little kind of whiskers over here. And if there's grass and things, you're not really going to see his feet, so you don't really have to worry about them, but they would be here and here. And if the rabbit is standing, that's when you're going to see his little feet. Interestingly, rabbits and cats are very kind of similar looking animals. Rabbits and cats have a similar kind of thing going on. So there's this front leg, and then the bottom leg has this kind of piece that comes down, and they have that long front part for running, and then they've got that tail. There's his eyes and his nose, like so. So some tips would be to remember to do the back leg is a little longer, and the front leg just has that paw. The tail is just a very easy round part. The ears are not as long as you think they are. And don't forget to add the nose and the whiskers. Those are some tips on how to draw a rabbit.